What's up, Creed? Welcome to your Friday demo video. So for our warm-up, we got 2 minutes of a cardio choice into an AMRAP by 3 minutes. Then we have, with those 3 minutes, we have 10 dumbbell bent over rows, 5 on each arm, 8 lateral hops over the dumbbell, and 3 and 3 single dumbbell deadlifts. So our cardio choices, we have jumping jacks, we have high knees, we can hop on the ground, we can go with our mountain climbers, and or our seated run. There we go, we pop on back up for our 3-minute AMRAP. We have 10 dumbbell bent over rows. We drive those hips back, keep that torso perky, nice tight lower back here, a long spine, a little stretch of those hamstrings, and we're putting that dumbbell in our back pocket. Then we have 8 lateral jumps over our dumbbell, so we'll place it on the ground. We'll laterally hop side to side here. If we don't feel comfortable doing this, we can turn and face the dumbbell each time, make more confident jumps, and if we absolutely have to, it's quick steps over and back 8 times. Just like that. Then we have 3 and 3 single dumbbell deadlifts. So we'll use one arm here for our deadlifts, 3 on the right side, 3 on the left side, driving those hips back, letting that torso fall to the ground here. Then with our workout, part A, we have 3 sets on a 9-minute clock, so about 3 minutes per set today. Got 6 and 6 staggered stance dumbbell deadlifts, and we have 8 and 8 dumbbell bent over row, and 10 and 10 single dumbbell strict press. All right, that's part A. Part B is a 5-minute AMRAP. We have 2 of them with a 1-minute rest breaking them up. So our first 5-minute AMRAP has 20 single arm dumbbell Russian swings and 5 up downs over dumbbell. And then we have a rest for 1 minute going into another 5-minute AMRAP that has 15 single arm dumbbell Russian swings and 10 up downs. So notice the reps change there. All right, and so for our reps on the swings, make sure we do all 20 on one arm, then our 5 up downs, and then remember to switch arms to the other side and do all 20 on that arm again. So show both arms some love today in this workout. Make sure we don't mess that up. Don't want to be lopsided when we look in the mirror. Part A, 3 sets on a 9-minute clock, starting with our staggered stance dumbbell deadlift. We want one heel in line with our other toe. So notice how our feet are staggered just a little bit. Same idea with our deadlifts, driving those hips back. Once that dumbbell gets to our knees, then we are breaking at the hips and letting them fall down to the ground. All right, once she switches feet, that opposite toe is now in line with her opposite heel. Just like that, keeping those shoulders peeled back. Got 8 and 8 dumbbell bent over rows, which we showed you guys in the warm-up. And then we'll have 10 and 10 single dumbbell strict press here. So bring that dumbbell over our shoulder, think bicep to ear when we drive overhead. So get that head through the hole at the top and keep that core engaged. Part B, we have a 5-minute AMRAP with 20 single arm dumbbell Russian swings. So using one arm here for our swings, making sure we keep that core engaged so we don't start twisting and turning with these swings. We want our torso to be facing forwards at all times. We'll go all 20 reps on one arm, drop the dumbbell to the ground, and we have 5 up downs over dumbbell. There we go, keeping that chest away from the floor here. Go to a push-up position, hop our feet back, hop our feet forward. And then when we come back around to the swings, make sure we do the opposite arm. Rest for 1 minute, have another 5-minute AMRAP of these same movements, but different reps, going 15 and 10 there. So be wary of that, pay attention, and we'll hop right into our finisher. Once you finish that, it is 3 sets on an alternating Tabata. So we're going bicep curls in the first Tabata for 20 seconds. After the 10-second rest, we have tricep extensions on the next Tabata. So it'll be 3 sets of each. Yes, 3 sets of each. There we go. So 20 seconds on with our bicep curl. If you only have one dumbbell, let's grab it with both hands today on each side. But if you have 2 dumbbells, same idea, trying to twist those palms towards our face. We're not doing hammer curls today, they're regular bicep curls, so twist those palms towards our face. But if you have one dumbbell, this will do as well. Then we have our 10-second break, going into 20 seconds of tricep extensions. We're going overhead with this movement, making sure our elbows stay locked in place. They are always pointing up, but our forearms are moving. So our elbows are breaking and then extending, breaking and then extending. Make sure we get a good squeeze at the top. Have a great rest of your Friday, Creed.